Oh, no. Just an observer. I just wanted to let you know, I'm just observing the public files, and I figured this would be a great example.
That's fine.
Yeah. Yeah, see, like, that's the whole thing, is it sounds like you're not completely sure, and we're going over what knowledge you have, and you've been great.
Yeah.
Do you know somebody that can go above and beyond what we've spoken of? And I appreciate the effort.
Is that you've got three different policies and three different areas, right? So the courts, I know the court piece of it. If you want to know what happens from the minute it was sworn up until the person is dealt with in court in front of a judge, I can tell you that. Anything before that goes to Crown and the RCMP. I can't answer their questions because I don't know. I don't know their policies. I don't know what their files look like. I only know the court system.
For sure. Okay, so you could tell me that it was sworn in on uttering threats, which never actually was laid before the court, which means that there was no.
Yeah, I can tell you the RCMP looked at it and thought that it should have been uttering threats. What happened in the background with the Crown is a question for the Crown. When it arrived at the court registry, it was sworn as a peace bond.
Okay, can you tell me who swore the peace bond?
Yeah, I told you it was J.P. Clements.
Okay, and then the officer that brought that to the court?
I don't know.
Oh,
you have to go through Crown. I don't know that information.
They don't put actually.
I can tell you.
Okay.
Well, they have court liaison officer, so I can tell you that the court liaison officer that swore it was, bear with me a second, Gary Toll, Towle.
So Gary Toll brought that to the Crown, and that's how it got to you.
Correct.
Okay. So Gary Toll, that's the one making the claims, right?
Well, he works for the RCMP. So he acts as their liaison with the court registry. I don't know if he was the one that told, he wasn't the investigating officer. He's
right.
Acting as
Right. Okay. So does that mean he takes and bears all the liability for the information sworn into the court?
Couldn't tell you that.
Okay. So when you guys receive files, you don't know where the liability is standing?
No.
Okay, but the court makes determinations on liability.
The judges might, but I don't think they do liability, because I would assume the RCMP has got some sort of protection. I couldn't tell you what that would be, but I don't think the individual would be liable. Okay. But I don't know.
So there's a peace bond with the court. Can you tell me what the number is on the bond?
Like the file number?
No, the bond number. That way we have something that's direct.
We don't have bonds. I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, it's a peace bond, right? I thought.
It's just a name. It's just the name of a document.
Yeah.
It's not an actual bond. At this point in time, it's not there's no money or anything attached to it.
So if there is a bond or there is not a peace bond is what I'm trying to get at.
Well, okay. The peace bond is just the name of the document. So if you ever get to the point where a peace bond is issued, sometimes they'll ask you to put money down. Typically, they don't. But a peace bond is just a name.
Okay, so is there an actual peace bond on that file number or not?
Well, no, because the peace bond is what happens once the person's been found guilty or not guilty, basically. So this hasn't happened. Nothing's happened on the file because it's outstanding.
So why is there 2 warrants?
Because the person hasn't appeared at court to speak to the judge.